Hey, it's Hill with Hills Art. I just wanted to take some time to thank everyone who continues to support this channel, and a couple of people recently reached out to me and absolutely made my day. I've seriously been contemplating stopping this channel, and I had a couple people reach out in divine timing and express how much this style of art helps them and how inspired they were by what I was doing. And I cannot tell you, that means absolutely everything to me. Art is my medicine, it's my therapy, and if something I'm doing is inspiring others and helping them, then that is the greatest gift. I started this channel during the pandemic when I was having health issues and I was super isolating, and it carried me through. So happy to return that gift, and thank you for being here. I decided that I want to start doing some classes where I can interact and not just do videos, because I want to connect with my fellow artists. So I'm gonna do a class on April 30th at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'm offering online tickets and in-person tickets. So I'm in the Austin area. If you're not in Austin, you can still join because there's online tickets available. That being said, I'm so grateful you're here. I can't wait to connect with you. If you want to come, the information you need is in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you, and I hope you enjoy this painting that's about to play.